What is happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video. As you all know, we have got the iOS 13 in our hands, and now we're gonna show you the best features that I think Apple added on iOS 13. Here we go.
1, 2, 3,
First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified on the next videos to come. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. And today we're gonna go through some of the best features of iOS 13. If you wanna learn how to install iOS 13 to any of your devices, I'll link that down in the description below. And let's get started, here we go. One of the best features that Apple added is the volume UI, where it's not intrusive in the middle anymore. You just get this UI and then you can change it yourself just like that, and then it'll go away right away. The next feature is the wallpapers. Apple added 4 new wallpapers to the iOS 13, and these wallpapers are not just ordinary wallpapers. They change whatever time it is in a day. So if it's sunset, then it would change to a dark mode, and if it's sunrise, then it would change to a light mode. If you go to display and brightness on the settings, you'll be able to set on whatever schedule you want it to change on light or dark. To make it easy, you can go to control center, 3D touch the brightness, and then you can change the appearance as well to light to dark or dark to light according to whatever you want right on the control center. Another amazing feature on iOS 13 is the Memojis and the emotes. You can have your own emotes on your Memojis now. So you can send your friends, if you're sad, happy, or whatever, you could send a sticker right from your iMessage. In iOS 13, Apple added new Animojis as well. There's a new Animoji, a cow, octopus, and also the rat. So you can choose whatever you'd like, brand new Animojis. Another thing they added is the customization of your Memojis. You can have more hats now, more hairstyle, whatever you'd like. There's also piercings, eyewear, different facial hair, a lot more customization for your Memoji. So you can go ahead and play around with that. I'm gonna go in depth on the next video to come, so stay tuned for that. They also have AirPods for you if you really want that, and hearing aid. The next feature is swiping to text. Just like in SwiftKey and Gboard, basically Apple integrated this natively to your iOS keyboard, so you don't have to download third-party keyboards. The next feature is very interesting. Remember where you can edit your photos, like cropping it, changing the layouts, also the contrast, brightness, and all that. Now you can do the exact same things, probably even more on videos. You can even take out the sound from the videos. The next feature is having fonts installed to your device. Before, what you had to do is have a font manager and then download the profile, install the profile to your device. Now you'll be able to do it natively straight to your phone. The next feature is on Safari. Here there's a button where you can change the font size right natively to your Safari. Before, you had to go to settings to change this. Now you'll be able to do it right on Safari. There's also request desktop website right on here. Turn off content blockers and website settings. In here you'll be able to have a bunch of toggles, allow apple.com to access whatever camera, microphone, and location. The next feature is on settings, where they have accessibility outside of generals now. And then in accessibility, you will have voiceover, where you can talk over your phone. So to select things, do a lot of things without touching your phone. The next feature is sending photos and videos to your friends and family through AirDrop. Now you'll be able to have an option of sending it in full original capture, full resolution of the video. Apple also updated the share button, the UI, where you can have all these options now on the bottom. I don't know if I like this or not, but it's up to you guys to decide. Comment below what is the best features for you on iOS 13, what you love about it, if you are installing it or not. Well, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of best features on iOS 13. If you want to see the video of how to install iOS 13, I'll link that down in the description below. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace.